In this quick video, I will show you how to buy ARB Doge step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then click here and then connect your wallet. As you can see, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar type down ARB Doge and you will see this on the left side. Scroll down and you'll see here the contract address. Copy the contract address, go to your MetaMask wallet and make sure that you switch to Arbitrum network. If you don't have an Arbitrum network yet, you can go to chainlist.org, connect your wallet, and on the search bar, type down Arbitrum 1, or you can just click here, click add to MetaMask, click approve, click switch network, and now you have already have a Arbitrum network in your MetaMask wallet. Now, once you have copied the contract address, you can just go to MetaMask wallet, and on the import tokens, click custom token and then paste the address here. And as you can see, I have already added the token. Then go to app.uniswap.org again and then click here, select a token you want to swap, for example Ethereum, and click here, paste the address here, click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. For example, 1 Ethereum. Then I will receive this amount of ARB Doge. Then once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. So you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. Make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Then once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed and then go back again to your MetaMask wallet to check if you have received the ARB Doge token. If you have any questions about how to buy ARB Doge, leave a comment below.